Ito may vlog. Hi vlog. So magpa-park kami guys. Ayan. Ayan. Magandang weather.
What? Son?
Ayan.
Dude, I'm yellow supersonic.
Ayan.
Dindame, come eat me gano because I'm a meat.
Ayan. Sige, pag may bear, bibigay ka namin.
Yap, yan.
Na? Pag may bear.
Stop annoying Phil.
Ayan, lalakad tayo dito. Going to park. Excited na ba?
You're gonna run so fast.
Yeah,
Go watch ni, ano to,
where are
ni
you going?
tita mo.
Where are you guys going?
We're going to the park.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Show me our hat.
So, dumating na kami sa park. So, ganda ng weather. Ayan. So, magpa-park muna tayo. Kasi ilang araw nang umuulan. Buti, marawa. Ang ganda nito. Perfect. Ayan. So, mag-park muna tayo. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda. Tingnan mo ang batang ito, di pa nag-uumpisa, madumi na.
Parking ah.
Masyado excited. Halika rito. See, ganda ng view dito sa park na to. Yan, ang park dito. Malapit sa amin. So nice. Yan. Maganda dito sa Canada. Maraming park. Ito yung pinaka-the best. Lakad-lakad tayo para hindi palagi nasa bahay. Ayan. Nandito tayo sa Taylor Park. Taylor Park. Ayan, si Kulit. Go, takbo.
Stop saying that.
Sige, akyat, dahan-dahan lang.
Emergency. There's a Captain Island.
Ayan na. Oh, slide ka na.
Here. Where are you?
Kaya mo, go, go.
I can relax.
Oo. Sige, laro kayo.
Are you making a video?
Yeah. What you will say to my vlog? Please subscribe.
Please subscribe and like so we can be famous.
Yeah.
Don't go here. Oh my God. You know what? Time trap. Wait, I'll make a big trap. Help me.
Mag-ingat. Oh, ingat ka.
I can do that.
Mom, get up here. Wait. We need to race.
Na. Mag-ingat ka bumaba. Tingnan mo, oh. Nakakatakot yan. Taas niyan, guys. So, yan, wow. Ang galing mag-bike. Ang galing mo mag-bike.
Let me check it.
Tapos na kami mag-park, guys. Ayan, oh. Tapos na. Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy, Piao?
Yes.